Won't you fly my way? Sing a melody that's just for me. Yeah, songbird, if those wings don't fly, it's gonna take some time, but I'll walk to you. Yeah, my feet will burn, but I know it's worth every step along the way. Yeah. I've been up and down daydreaming. I've been up and down, waiting for a change. Sing a song for tomorrow, 'cause we don't know what tomorrow is gonna bring. Sing a song for tomorrow. Sing one that helps us forget everything. Sing a song for tomorrow. Take us away, yeah. Sing a song for the sorrow. Oh, the songbird, let your soul be free. Let it fly above the trees. And while you're flying, don't you give in to doubt. Though you're overwhelmed, you've got to be seen. 'Cause you bring us hope, and you help us cope with the day-to-day through your melody. Up and down and out on daydreaming. Up and down and out, looking for escape. So sing a song for tomorrow, 'cause we don't know what tomorrow is gonna bring. Sing a song for tomorrow. Sing one that helps us forget everything. Sing a song for tomorrow. Take us away, yeah. Oh, and sing a song for the sorrow.